In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Affinity. If your document is starting to feel cluttered, or you're ready to lock in a final look, merging layers is a quick way to simplify your project and keep things organized. Just remember, merging is a destructive action, which means the individual layers you combine won't be independently editable afterward. If you think you might need to tweak them later, consider duplicating the layers or saving a separate version of your file before you proceed. First, head to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. That's where you'll see every layer in your document, including images, shapes, text, and adjustments. Click once on the first layer you want to include. Now hold down the Shift key and click the last layer in the range you want to merge. Everything between those two clicks becomes selected, and you'll notice multiple layers are highlighted. This is the most efficient way to grab a continuous stack of layers at once. If you need to be selective, for example, picking a few layers that aren't next to each other, you can hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac OS and click the specific layers you want. Either way, make sure the layers you intend to merge are clearly highlighted. With your layers selected, right-click on any one of the highlighted layers in the Layers panel. Right-clicking in the panel is important because that's where you'll see the layer-specific options you need. A context menu will appear, giving you several choices related to how layers behave and interact. From that menu, click Merge Selected. Affinity will immediately combine all of the highlighted layers into a single layer, preserving the visual result you see on the canvas. Effects, blend modes, and transparency are baked into the new merged layer, which means the final appearance stays consistent, even though the underlying elements are now one. Be aware that vector shapes and editable text will be rasterized during this process, so you won't be able to edit them as vector or text afterward. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to step back and adjust your selection before trying again. Also note that Merge Selected is different from Merge Visible, which merges everything you can currently see. Today we're only merging the layers you specifically chose, and that's it. Select your layers in the panel, right-click the selection, then choose Merge Selected. It's a fast, reliable way to flatten parts of your design while keeping your document manageable and efficient.